Hi, Brian. I just wanted to say happy birthday. You were born May 21st, 1990. I sound like a stalker. I'm not a stalker, Brian. I'm not. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I can't stop. I'm actually sick right now. My asthma's sick. This is like the first day I've actually been able to talk normally. But yeah. Happy birthday! Brian, stop farting! I'm an idiot, I know. But yeah, happy birthday, Brian. Yeah. Okay. Bye.